Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code, that is 0x80070422 or 0x80073D02. So if you're receiving these error codes while installing any application or game from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update Windows. So for this you can go to Windows Update or Update and Security in Windows Settings and then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down at the very bottom, you will find somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, and then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a double click, then make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these three commands. So all the commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, and once the first command is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and again paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then go to advanced option over here. Scroll down. Here you can see recovery option. Click on recovery, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and once this is done, this process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then check. Still not working. Make sure date, time zone is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on, and then click on sync now. Sync now is important. Once done, go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here, and then check. Still not working. Run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset command, and then this will reopen Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. Repair or reset store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down, click on terminate first, and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, relaunch store and then check. Still not working. Click on reset. After the reset, you can open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, open AppData folder, open the local folder, and then find packages folder, open the packages folder. Now scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder, and here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete it. Now relaunch the game, relaunch store, and then check. Still not working. Run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. This will install the Windows default apps, and during this install you might see errors like this. If you see errors like this, just ignore it, let the process complete. This will take some time, and once this is done, you will see everything red. Once that is done, relaunch store and then check. Still not working. Run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, and copy all these commands one by one, and then paste it on the same paste it on command prompt window, and then hit the enter key. And then copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key, run the third command, and then run the fourth command, paste it, hit the enter key, run the last command. And once this is done, restart the computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use mobile hotspot. So turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot in your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network over here, and then you can check. Next step is to try installing application from library. If you are able to access library, you can open Microsoft Store in Windows. Type in Microsoft Open Store, and then you can go to downloads, or if you find the application in downloads, if you are able to access download, you can try to install it from here, or you can even go to library and try to install it. If you find your application or game over here, try to install it from here. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now for this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer, and once it is uninstalled, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. Run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab, scroll down. Make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important, and then click on OK, and then relaunch store. The last step is to update your Windows using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can go to Microsoft website, go to Windows 11 Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, then you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next, and then you can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. And once done, let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked, and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then open Microsoft Store, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.